Hello, how are you? Today we'll talk about this session how we open the door by the PIR. Let's see how this works. So first, when anything come in front of the PIR, which is this one, not anything, anybody will talk about this. He will say, please wait for some time. I will send Gmail to my owner. So after he say this, as you see here, he will send email. Somebody is at your door. And after I see the email, I can go to this dashboard and open and close the door. As you see here, open and close. So let's work about this. Let's go. So first let's talk about the PIR motion sensor. So as it's written here, before starting with the activity, let's have an idea about the PIR, passive infrared motion sensor. PIR motion sensor allows us to sense motion, more specifically human motion. But how? All objects, including human, with a temperature above absolute zero Kelvin, emit heat energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation. It's infrared radiation, not possible to human eyes. This radiation depends on the temperature and type of object. So here that sensor can detect the human movement or any animal or any human movement. How? By the temperature of the human. So as you see here, detecting area, Fresnel lens, and PIR sensor. As you see here. Okay, so what's the difference between the IR sensor and the PIR sensor? IR sensor emit IR light. As we know, the IR sensor give light and receive it back. So to know how much is the distance. But PIR sensor is used to detect IR radiation. It never actually emits the IR light. Detect the heat emitted by body and detect when the body is entering and leaving the sensing area. So yes, let's right now talk about the connections. First, we'll connect the PIR sensor. As you see here, this one, if you see it, the nearest one will be the ground. As you see here, this is the ground, this is the output, and this is the VCC. We'll connect it to the quark expansion board. This is the PIR sensor. We'll connect the ground to the ground here, to the ground. And we'll connect the output D3 pin to D3 pin. Here the output in the middle, we'll connect it to D3. And the VCC, the last one, will connect to the 3.3 volt, which is here. And of course the servo 1, servo 2, and all of this will be connected to the Quarky board. And here we have the servo which opens the doors. We'll connect it to this yellow, red, black. We'll connect it to any one of those. Each one has a own number as it's written up here. So mine, I'll put it at 4, which is here. Yellow to yellow, red to red, and black to black. As you see here, this one. And then let's go creating all of the other things. Right now, we connect all the things with each other. Right now, let's make the coding. So yes, first thing, we'll know this dashboard. It's named Add a Fruit. For you, let's open a new one. You'll write Add a Fruit, and then press this one. You have this one. You should make an account. I made it before. IO. I'll press IO. Feeds. New feed. You write door. Right. Door. Door. You can make it door and then create. But I have it before, so I'll write cancel. You press create. Okay, and then after we make it feed, we go to dashboard. New dashboard, you write also door, create. And then you'll see it here. Double click. Okay. Those two buttons will not be here. So you'll go setting, create a new block. This one. Memory button, this one. You press door. Next step. It's reset. You write open. Then we'll make it 1 1 and create a block. It will be here, but I have before open. I have to here before, so I'll not make it. Same way, close. Create a block. Reset. Door. Next step. But here, to make it 0 0, reset, close. Then create a block. It will be here also, close. Okay. Then after we make this, what should we make? This one, it will open the door and close it. As we see, the first thing. But how can we send the Gmail? Let's see. Here I have. We'll use IFTTT. A new one. IFTTT. This one. And then you should make sign in Google. Okay, here, and then you make see, I made it before, but I'll make a new one. You'll press create. So here it's named IFTTT because IF for if, T this, Okay, if this, we'll add, and then we'll choose add fruit. So here, this one. We'll press this one. See, he knows my name. I'll choose the feed, which is door. I'll choose equal to 2. So here, why we choose 2 and why it's equal to 2. So at picture blocks, this one will tell him to send 2 to add fruit, and then add fruit will send to IFTTT, and then the IFTTT will send a Gmail. Okay, and then you will create trigger. Okay. Then, if the IFTTT received the 2 from add fruit, it will make what? Then that add. It's here Gmail. Send an email. Here you can choose anyone or add a new account. You can just choose anyone. To address, I'll write same. See, CC address. If we wanted to add another address, I don't wanna. So what is the subject here? The subject here is like one is at your door or anything. You could choose anything, and also the body. Like here at subject, I'll choose alert, and here at the body. You choose anything like in writing, but I'll choose some one is at your okay. Then create action. Here you have it. Then you'll press continue, but I made it before, so I'll just cancel. You'll press continue, and yeah, I'll show you then what. Then we make the add fruit and we make the IFTTT. Right now we will go to the picture blocks. Okay. First thing, we choose the board, which is Quarky. Second thing, we add those 3, which is Quarky expansion board, Quarky IoT house, IoT, which is them from here. This one, and this one. So yes, let's start. First thing, we should initialize expansion board. So just into last expansion board when we press the flag. And then we should wait until someone is at the room or at the door, in front of the door, in front of the PIR sensor. At the first, we said that we connect the PIR output to D3. So yes, we take the PIR and we choose D3 PIR, and then we'll connect to Adafruit. So we can send 2 to feed door. Okay, how could we connect to Adafruit? Go to Adafruit. Do you see this? This mark, the key? This one. Username. This is my username. Copy it here. And the key, which is this one, active key, copy it here. Okay, then we need to send the email. Send to feed door. So when we send to feed door, the feed of the door will be equal to 2. Then IFTTT will understand this, and then you'll send it's like if feed door is equal to 2, then send an email. Initialize expansion board like this one. We can bring it from here, utilize, and here to utilize, and this two from here, connect username and send. You choose door, and then set servo 4 to angle 110. Here the servo will close and open the door. 110 for closing and 50 is for opening. Like you could have another angles, but here I have like this. And we choose 4 because at the beginning, as I told you, the servo yellow to yellow, red to red, black to black, and we have from 1 to 8 servo motors, but we put it at 4, so it's 4. And then this 2B will say, please wait for some time. I will send email to my owner. Yeah, and he sent it before. So when I see the email, I just go to Adafruit, and then forever I get last data from feed as number is equal 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Right now, if we press on open, why the door will be opened? From first, when we make open, it was I told you to put it was 1 and then 0. I told you to put 1 1. So this is it. Get from feed door. So when we press on open, because we put 1 1, so the feed door will be 1. It will open the door by servo 4, 50 degrees. It will be open. And the close, same thing. We put 0 0. So if it's equal to 0, the servo will be closed. So yes, we finished for today. See me for other sessions. I will and please subscribe. Thank you.